Have you ever wondered what it feels like to step into a completely different culture, immersing yourself in a world of new experiences, traditions, and customs? Imagine standing at the crossroads of the world, where every turn leads to a new discovery, a new insight. This is the intrigue of cultural encounters. It's like stepping through a portal into another realm, where the air is perfumed with different spices, the streets echo with unfamiliar languages, and the people dance to the rhythm of exotic music. Cultural encounters are a fascinating journey. They open our eyes to the richness of human civilization, the myriad ways in which we express our creativity, our beliefs, and our values. They reveal how, despite our differences, we share a common thread of humanity. What is it that makes these encounters so intriguing? Perhaps it's the thrill of the unknown, the excitement of deciphering the intricate patterns of a different way of life. Or maybe it's the joy of recognizing the universal human spirit in a completely different setting. Appreciating different cultures is more than just a delightful adventure. It's a way of broadening our horizons, of understanding the world in its full complexity. It's a lesson in empathy, in seeing the world through someone else's eyes. Every culture is a unique tapestry, woven with threads of history, geography, and human creativity. Each thread tells a story, a narrative of struggle and triumph, of love and loss, of joy and sorrow. Together, they create a vibrant, colorful masterpiece that is as beautiful as it is diverse. In this journey, we'll explore the enchanting world of cultural encounters. We'll delve into the heart of African culture, experience the enchantment of Asian traditions, and feel the vibrant pulse of Latin American life. We'll listen to the stories that these cultures tell, the wisdom they share, and the joy they bring. As we journey through these unique cultural encounters, prepare to be amazed by the richness and diversity of our world. Imagine the vibrant beats of African drums echoing through the air, the smell of rich spices wafting from street food stalls, and the sight of colorful traditional wear. This is the heartbeat of Africa, a continent rich in culture and heritage. In Africa, music is not just a form of entertainment, it's a way of life. From the melodious rhythms of the kalimba, often referred to as the African thumb piano, to the pulsating beats of the djembe drum, each instrument tells a story, each note a narrative of a people's journey. Dance, too, is an integral part of this cultural tapestry. Whether it's the energetic kwaito from South Africa, the mesmerizing eskista from Ethiopia, or the graceful adamu from the Maasai tribes, each dance form is a vibrant expression of identity and community. Now let's take a journey through a bustling African market. Here, the air is ripe with the enticing aroma of street food, from the fragrant jollof rice, a West African delicacy, to the savory bunny chow of South Africa. Each dish is a culinary adventure. African cuisine is a delightful blend of native ingredients, traditional cooking methods, and influences from other cultures. It's a tangible testament to the continent's rich history and diversity. And what about the clothing? African fashion is a feast for the eyes. Bursting with color, pattern, and texture, it's a celebration of creativity and heritage. From the intricately woven kente cloth of Ghana to the brightly dyed bogolanfini fabric of Mali, African attire is as diverse as the continent itself. Yet, at the heart of African culture lies the spirit of community. Storytelling is a cherished tradition here, a way to pass on wisdom, history, and values from one generation to the next. Around the fire, under the vast African sky, stories come alive, binding the community together, preserving their shared history. African culture, woven with vibrant colors, rhythmic beats, and strong community ties, leaves an unforgettable impression. Picture yourself in the midst of lantern-lit festivals, ancient temples, and tea ceremonies, enveloped by the mystique of Asian traditions. The enchantment of Asia is a tapestry of diverse cultures, each weaving a unique tale of heritage and tradition. Let's begin with the vibrant festivals. Imagine the streets alive with fiery dragons during the Chinese New Year, or the skies filled with ethereal light during the Lantern Festival. Each celebration is not just a spectacle, but a living embodiment of the community's shared history and values. Beyond the revelry, Asian traditions are deeply rooted in spirituality. The ancient temples of Cambodia, the peaceful monasteries of Bhutan, the sacred shrines of Japan, all resonate with a profound sense of the divine. These spiritual landmarks are not just places of worship, but also repositories of wisdom, offering insights into the ancient philosophies that shape the Asian worldview. And then there's the tea culture, a tradition that transcends borders and time. From the elaborate Japanese tea ceremonies to the everyday chai of India, tea is more than a beverage in Asia. It's a ritual, a moment of tranquility amidst the chaos of life. It's a testament to the Asian ethos of harmony and balance, where every action, no matter how small, is infused with mindfulness and intention. But what truly makes Asian traditions enchanting is their inherent value system. Concepts like harmony, balance, respect for nature, and reverence for ancestors are deeply ingrained in every aspect of life. It's a culture that values the collective over the individual, the eternal over the ephemeral, and the spiritual over the material. Through this enchantment, Asian traditions offer a captivating encounter, a journey that takes you beyond the surface and into the heart of what it means to be Asian. They are a testament to the resilience of these cultures, their ability to adapt and evolve, yet stay true to their roots. Through its enchanting traditions and deep-rooted spirituality, Asian culture captivates the heart and soul. Visualize the lively rhythms of salsa music, the taste of flavorful cuisine, and the sight of mesmerizing landscapes that define Latin American culture. Let's embark on a journey through the vibrant tapestry that is Latin American culture. A land where the music doesn't just play, it lives, it breathes. It's in the very air you breathe, in the pulsating beats of salsa, the passionate strumming of the guitar in a flamenco performance, and the rhythmic pounding of drums in a capoeira circle. It's a culture that teaches you to move, to dance, to feel the rhythm in every fiber of your being. Now picture the tantalizing flavors of Latin American cuisine, from the spicy heat of Mexican enchiladas, the hearty taste of Argentinian asado, to the sweet allure of Brazilian brigadeiros. Each dish a story of its people, a reflection of their rich history and diverse influences. It's a culinary journey that is as diverse as the continent itself. Picture next the breathtaking landscapes. From the majestic Andean mountain range, the dense, mysterious Amazon rainforest, to the pristine beaches of the Caribbean. It's a continent that offers a visual feast, a testament to the natural diversity that Latin America is renowned for. But the heart of Latin American culture lies in its people and their love for celebration and family. The importance of familia in Latin American society cannot be overstated. Warm, welcoming, and full of life, they are the embodiment of the vibrant spirit of their culture. Celebrations and festivals are a way of life here, from the colorful spectacle of Carnival in Brazil, the Day of the Dead in Mexico, to the Inti Raymi in Peru. Each celebration, a vibrant display of local customs and traditions, an expression of the joyous spirit of its people. Latin American culture is a dynamic, ever-evolving tapestry of sounds, flavors, and sights. It's a culture that invites you to participate, to immerse yourself, to truly experience the vibrancy and warmth of its people. Latin American culture, with its infectious rhythms, delicious flavors, and warm-hearted people, is truly a feast for the senses. So what does it mean to truly immerse yourself in a new culture? Well, as we've journeyed through the enchanting landscapes of African, Asian, and Latin American cultures, we've uncovered that to truly immerse yourself is to embrace the unfamiliar, to dive headfirst into the rich tapestry of traditions, values, and customs that define each of these unique cultures. In the heart of Africa, we discovered more than just a continent. We encountered a vibrant cradle of humanity, steeped in ancestral wisdom. From the rhythmic drum beats echoing through the night to the intricate tapestry of languages, Africa offers an intricate mosaic of cultural experiences that both inspire and humble us. Venturing into the realm of Asia, we were captivated by the enchanting blend of ancient traditions and rapid modernization. The delicate art of tea ceremonies, the spiritual resonance of Buddhist temples, and the mesmerizing dance forms all tell a tale of a culture that cherishes its past while embracing the future. As we salsa'd our way through Latin America, we were swept up in the vibrancy of a culture that pulsates with life. From the colorful festivals that fill the streets with music and laughter, to the hearty cuisine that tells a story in every bite, Latin America is a testament to the joy of living. But what does all this mean? It's simple. These cultural encounters are more than just explorations of foreign lands. They are bridges that connect us to the shared human experience, fostering a greater understanding and appreciation of our diverse world. Each encounter peels back the layers of our own preconceptions, revealing a richer, more nuanced understanding of humanity. Every cultural encounter is a journey of discovery, and as we step into these different worlds, we enrich not only our understanding, but our very souls. So let's continue to explore, to learn, and to grow through our shared cultural experiences.